Hi, I'm Shabs, your travel guide. Welcome to my channel where we explore the world together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing adventures with me.
Our planet is sending us a message. It is a message written in fire, wind, and water. We have all seen the images. The sun-scorched earth of southern Europe. Ancient olive groves wither under relentless heat waves. Historic towns, once bustling with visitors, now stand eerily quiet as temperatures soar. We see wildfires a world away, in the majestic forests of Canada, and in the United States, consuming vast areas of wilderness. These are not isolated incidents. They are symptoms of a profound change, a planetary fever. The very places we cherish are now on the front lines of a climate crisis. This transformation affects us all. The dream of a summer holiday can turn into a frightening ordeal. Tourists who sought refuge in the Greek islands found themselves fleeing from advancing flames. Their vacations cut short by emergency evacuations. The turquoise waters of the Mediterranean now reflect the orange glow of a burning landscape. Consider the great coral reefs, the vibrant underwater cities teeming with life. Rising ocean temperatures are causing widespread coral bleaching, turning these kaleidoscopic gardens into ghostly white graveyards. A dive that was once a journey into breathtaking color may now reveal a silent, barren seascape. The Great Barrier Reef has suffered immensely. What will be left for future generations to marvel at? On land, iconic glaciers are in retreat. These mighty rivers of ice are melting at an alarming rate. The ice fields of Patagonia. The snows of Kilimanjaro are shrinking before our very eyes. Visiting these places now carries a sense of profound loss. Meltwater from glaciers contributes to rising sea levels, threatening low-lying islands and coastal communities. Tropical paradises lose their luster when beaches are eroding, and when marine life is in decline. Safaris are tempered by animals struggling for survival. Habitats stressed by drought and habitat loss. Ancient cities like Venice face an existential threat from rising seas. Their timeless beauty is being claimed by the water. Some places are becoming less accessible. The experience of travel is changing, tinged with melancholy and urgency. In response to this growing crisis, a new idea is beginning to take hold. It is sometimes called the age of non-tourism. This does not mean we must stop traveling altogether. Rather, it suggests a profound shift in our mindset and our behavior. It is about moving away from the model of mass tourism. Heavy carbon footprints, destructive local impacts. It encourages us to question the need to fly across the globe for a fleeting experience, especially when there is so much to discover closer to home. Deliberate, thoughtful, responsible. This new approach champions local and domestic travel. Instead of boarding a long-haul flight, more people are discovering hidden gems within their own countries, national parks, charming small towns. This shift dramatically reduces our carbon emissions. Aviation is a significant contributor to greenhouse gases. Travel by train, travel by bus, travel by bicycle. Finding adventure and beauty without the high environmental cost, a deeper connection to place. This is not about consumption, it is about contribution and connection. Each of us holds the power to make a difference. Our choices as travelers, when multiplied by millions, can collectively steer us towards a more sustainable future. The journey begins before we even leave home, with the decisions we make during the planning process. We can choose to travel by train, a mode of transport that is often far more efficient and less polluting than flying. We can seek out eco-friendly hotels that conserve water, reduce waste, use renewable energy. These small choices are the building blocks of responsible travel. Once we arrive, our responsibility continues. We can make a conscious effort to support the local community, eating at family-owned restaurants, buying crafts from local artisans, hiring local guides. Ensuring our money benefits residents helps protect natural and cultural heritage. Be a guest, not a consumer. Leave a place better, or at least no worse, than you found it. Travel with a light footprint. Mind resources. Avoid single-use plastics. Stay on marked trails. Respect wildlife by observing from a distance. Our planet's beauty is a gift, and it is our duty to treat it with care. Let us redefine travel as planetary stewardship. The world is worth protecting, and our next journey could be the one that helps to save it. Thank you for joining us on this journey of reflection and responsibility. At Shab's Travel Guide, we believe that every adventure is an opportunity to make the world a better place. If you found inspiration in today's video, help us spread the message. Like, share, subscribe for more eye-opening explorations, thoughtful travel tips. Together, let's build a community of mindful travelers, one adventure at a time. Until the next journey, stay curious, stay kind, and keep exploring with purpose.